If you are a speaker, your website really works on your behalf to help you get additional speaking engagements. And so when there are conference hosts, seminar hosts that are looking for speakers, guess what? They're going to end up on your website. So make sure you have a page specifically about your speaking. Go ahead and share 3 to 5 signature talks, things that you're comfortable with that you talk about all of the time. You can also make a note that you're open to creating something special for that particular conference or event. It'd be great if you had video footage of you actually speaking or professional pictures of you speaking. That's an extra added benefit to conference hosts because guess what? A lot of them are looking for that and they will probably request that for their promotions. And then the last thing you want to think about on your speaker page is how do people book you? What type of booking information can you share and a call to action to invite them to inquire about having you come speak for their event. Go ahead and rock the stage. If you want to get more information about me, follow me at charvettemitchell.com.